Yes, I know, everybody. This is truly disgusting. Yeah, I'm mortified. Really quickly, jumping right in, I'm pointing at the paint because I tried touching it up a while ago and used the wrong one. I used a glossy one in my room. Is matte. But yeah, you guys, this is disgusting. Oh, wait, I gotta pause. Look at him.
Hi there, sweet angel.
Yeah, he's just so freaking cute. But I'm just starting right away. I think I was thinking the sooner the better. It definitely took a long time, but clearly my room was so dirty. I feel so much better though. Just a clean space just really makes everything better. And I'm kicking myself for even letting it get that dirty in the first place. Here I am. Unfortunately, I've become a soda drinker again, so I'm just getting rid of all the evidence. My sister and I like to go out for like Diet Cokes or like Sonic Diet Cherry Limeades. They're so good, but yeah, the bottles just accumulate in my room when I like don't. They're too big to put in my trash can, so I just leave them up. They just kind of accumulate and I never get rid of them, and then I'm stuck with a room like this, and my vanity is so messy because I'm just really bad at, once I'm done doing my makeup, just putting it away. I kind of just toss it all back onto the desk. So yeah, that little thing that I'm using is like a makeshift nightstand is a towel warmer. My dad brought it home for me and I thought I would use it more often because I usually like to do some spa nights at home with like a face mask and stuff, but I have yet to use it. But it has been a very solid what is that, nightstand. So yeah, I can't complain. It's getting rid of, well, I'm not getting rid of it, but I'm putting it in a new place, so it'll look a lot better. And oh man, when you guys see the other side of my bed like in daylight, well, not in daylight but with the window open, you guys are gonna seriously be like, what the heck? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will just talk to you throughout the video. Okay, so these shoes right now that I'm picking up, those are from Walmart. They're only $18. So I was like, these would be perfect for just like lifestyle wear or going to the gym. Like, I love them. I haven't worn them yet, but they are just so cute. I was also thinking of doing like a Walmart video, like where I go through Walmart's clothes and stuff and just like pick out things that I like, because there's a Walmart literally everywhere, and we all know Walmart is super cheap. And I've seen like other videos on YouTube where people do that and they find some really, really cute stuff. So I thought I would try it out myself. So if that's something you're interested in, then just let me know, because I think I'm going to do it anyway. You guys, I know this is so busted. Like, clothes, laundry, trash. My vanity just is crazy looking. I have Just a bunch of crap literally everywhere. Seriously, I know, trust me. You can make your judgments. I don't blame you, but man, it is just not acceptable. That's just so disgusting. See, I have good intentions. You see those trash bags right there? I kind of start putting stuff away and I try to keep up with it, but then I just don't, so. In that Boxy Charm box, I have some makeup that I was planning on doing a giveaway with. It's definitely not enough, so I just gathered a couple more goodies, but just to show you guys how thankful I am and thanks for subscribing and everything, I was just thinking that might be a good idea. So be on the lookout for that. You guys, I am a serious hot mess in this video. I know, like, my room, the paint, my holy sweats, but they're just comfortable. I don't know. It's cleaning day. Come on, you guys, just bear with me. Y'all know I keep that thing on me. We out here going to war, everybody. Look at me. These dust bunnies are my arch nemesis. So I'm just doing the last final touches on my room. There's definitely some things I want to redo, like the paint. I want to paint my furniture and my mirror. So if you want, I can make like a makeover on a budget, room makeover on a budget, I guess. But yeah, doesn't it look so much better? I'm kicking myself for letting it get that dirty in the first place, but whatever. I feel so much better. It looks better, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean my room.